In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Apps and Services. Then hit App Twin available here and select any app you wanna clone by clicking on the gray switcher right next to it. Once you do that, cloning will begin. Now you can go back and check if your app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can always go back to the same section in Settings and use No Blue switcher. This time confirm your choice in the pop-up by selecting Close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!